You got all kinds of stuff going on right now. You've got messy face. You've got hiccups. You've got shit. And you think you're hungry too. And you even messed your swaddle up. What do you have on your swaddle? Is it belly button juice or is it poopies? I had some. Did you get bigger from your feeding? I think maybe you did get a little bit bigger from the food you've been getting. Do you think?